Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Humayun. Dear students, as you all know that PPSC Punjab Public Service Commission has announced 16 seats for the post of statistical officer. Today it is lecture number 1 for the preparation of that written test. Today I will discuss very important and conceptual questions for two topics. The first topic is introduction to statistics and the second topic is collection of data, classification of data, second chapter of the BSc book and a very important topic of statistics. Before starting today's vital lecture for you, I request everyone subscribe to my channel, like and share my channel and click the bell icon for the notifications of the next important videos and all these MCQs which I will discuss with you people. These are important for every written test of statistical officer, research officer, lecturer statistics and statistician. Let's start. Question number 1 is statistics are what of the administration? A very important one. A, hands, B, mouth, C, ears, D, eyes. Dear students, statistics are the eyes of the administration. Eyes is the correct option. Question number 2, statistics is the backbone of A, computer, B, mathematics, C, research. Statistics is the backbone of research. Research is the correct option. Question number 3, the word statistics was first used in 1749. It is the correct option in the exam. In the very beginning it was used in 1749. Question number 4, the word statistics is used as A, singular, B, plural, C, both singular and plural. We know it is used in both senses, singular and plural also. Both is the correct option. Question number 5, the term statistics refers to A, values derived from the data in a sample. Yes, we have a sample from the population and we conclude about the value of the population with the help of the sample data. B, facts expressed in numerical form. Yes, it's also correct. C, a branch of mathematics. Yes, it is a branch of mathematics. D, all of these is the correct option. Question number 6, statistics considers A, a single item, B, a set of items, C, either a single item or a set of items. Dear students, statistics does not deal with a single value. It deals a group of values, a pack of values. It is the correct option B, a set of items. Question number 7, statistics deals with A, qualitative data, B, quantitative data, C, both. We know statistics deals with both data, quantitative which can be measured numerically, which is countable, and qualitative which is not calculated, which is not measured numerically but its presence or absence can be determined. It is the correct option, both. We can study qualitative as well as quantitative data. Question number 8, statistics results are A, absolutely correct, B, not true, C, true on the average. True on the average is the correct option. If we have a statistical result, we can say that it will be true on the average. Question number 9, data is important because it contains A, numerical values, B, can be computerized, C, information. Actually, data has information, that's why it is important. Information is the correct option. Question number 10, the collected data in any statistical investigation is known as A, discrete series, B, continuous series, C, raw data. Raw data is the correct option. The collected data in any statistical investigation is a raw data. Question number 11, which of the following is another name for raw data? Very important. A, destination data, B, secondary data, C, machine learning, D, AGI data. Raw data is also called AGI data, a very important concept, a very important multiple choice question. Raw data is also called AGI data. Question number 12. Data represents a single value, B two values, C a large value, D a group of values. A group of values is the correct option. Question number 13. Which of the following is an example of statistical data? A. Date of birth rate. Yes, we studied in the vital statistics birth rate, crude birth rate, death rate, all these things. B. Date of agricultural product. It can be any crop. C. Date of college dropouts. D. All of these. All of these is the correct option. All of these are the examples of the statistical data. Question number 14. Original source from which researcher directly collects the data that has not previously collected. You are the first one who is collecting the data from the person who will give you the data. A. Primary data. B. Secondary data. C. Tertiary data. D. None. Dear student, it is called primary data. If you take the data on the telephone call, it is primary data. If you fill up the questionnaire, it is the primary data. If you direct investigate a person, it is a primary data. If you take the indirect oral investigation, it is also primary data. And if you publish the data, it has been collected on the first hand by anyone and then it is published by the second person. That is the secondary data, a very important concept. Question number 15. The data collected by questionnaires are, as I told you, it is primary data. Question number 16. Registration is the source of A. Primary data, B. Secondary data, C. ogive, D. histogram. It is also primary data. Registration is the first source of collecting the data, primary data. Question number 17. The quickest method to collect primary data: A. Personal interview, B. Indirect interview, C. questionnaire, D. telephone. Telephone interview is the correct option. Question number 18. Which of the following is not an example for a primary data? A very important. A. Mailed questionnaire, that is primary. B. Local correspondence, that is also primary. C. Indirect oral investigation, it is also primary. D. Survey results in newspapers and journals, it is not primary. That is the correct option. Actually, that is the secondary data. Question number 19. The appropriate method of data collection in the case of rail accidents. Car accidents can be, bike accidents can be. A. Questionnaire, B. Direct personal interview, C. Indirect interview, D. Observations. In car accident, in rail accident, the best method to collect the information is observations. Observations is the correct option. Question number 20. Secondary data means data collected from A. a second person, B. secondary schools, D. C. existing records. Dear students, if you have records, that is the example of secondary data. Records are available, then you are using these records and you are publishing. You are using on the second stage, that is the secondary. It is existing first, then you collect it again. Question number 21. Information from the internet is dash data. It is primary or secondary or tertiary. It is secondary data. If you write on the Google anything you want to search, that is a secondary data. It is existing first on this internet. Question number 22. Secondary, which is also called existing data, may include which of the following? A. Official documents, it can be. B. Personal documents, it can be. C. Archived research data, it can be. D. All of these is the correct option. Question number 23. The data obtained from the register and manual is A. Primary data, B. Raw data, C. Renewal data, D. Secondary data. Secondary data is the correct option. Question number 24. The grouped data is A. Raw data, B. Primary data, C. Secondary data. A very important concept. If you have the grouped data, that is the example of secondary data. And if you have the raw data, that is the example of primary data. These two questions can be asked in every written test of statistics. Question number 25. Which of the following is not the source of secondary data? A. Data published in newspapers and journal, that is secondary. B. Publications of central and state government, that is also secondary. C. Data issued by the World Bank, it is also secondary. D. Data obtained by a firm in a market survey conducted by it. they conducted by itself, that is not a secondary data, that is a primary data. A very important, that is the correct option in the exam. Now question number 26 is, which of the following is not the source of secondary data? A, records. As I told you, records, existing things are secondary data. B, journals, these are also secondary. C, newspapers, these are also secondary. D, personal contact, if you call to anyone, if you direct investigate anyone, this is not secondary, this is primary. Question number 27, a variable is any characteristic which can assume what values? Similar. A is similar, B fixed, C assume, D different. Different will be the correct option. 28, measurable characteristics of data are called A, attributes. Attributes are not measurable. B, features, incorrect. C, variables. Variables are measured. 29, non-measurable characteristics of data are called A, variables, B, attributes, C, features. B is the correct option, attributes, which are non-measurable. Question number 30, what is the opposite of a variable? Variable is a thing which can change, and its opposite is a constant, a value which cannot be changed, that is a fixed value, a single value. Question number 31, the statement, a very important question, statistical constants which enable us to comprehend in a single effort the significance of the whole was given by, it was given by A, Pearson, incorrect. B, Fisher, incorrect. C, Galton. D, Bowley is the correct option, it was given by Bowley. Question number 32, weight of the whole earth is, the earth where we are standing, the weight of that earth is A, discrete variable, B, qualitative variable, C, continuous variable, D, constant, that is constant, the weight of the earth is constant. Question number 33, 100 persons are divided into numbers of male, female and employed, unemployed, refers to A, ordinal data, B, special data, C, temporal data, D, cardinal numbers data. Cardinal numbers data is the correct option. 34, which scale is the simplest form of the measurement? I want to discuss a very important concept with you. There are 4 scales of measurement. The first one is nominal, second one is ordinal, third one is interval, D is ratio. Dear students, please keep in mind these first 2 are used for the qualitative data, and these 2 are used for the quantitative data. Now nominal is just quantitative data. Now nominal is just it will give you the category. It is actually also called categorical data. If you have male, female, if you have these things which are just, you are giving the names male, female, you are giving the names, telephone numbers, these are the nominal scale or qualitative data. And if you have the rank measurement, if you have ordering, small size, medium size, large size, XL size, you have ranks in the army, these will be called in the ordinal, and interval and ratio will be discussed in the quantitative data, a data which can be measured numerically. And now the question is, which scale is the simplest one? That is the simplest one. There is no category on according to the ranking of ordering. It is also just you are giving the names male, female and the names of the telephones numbers. Question number 35, even if your data consists of numbers, it is not valid to perform arithmetic operations on those numbers if your data were derived from A, discrete scale, B, an interval scale, C, a ratio scale, D, a nominal scale is the correct one. You cannot apply any arithmetic operation on this much. You cannot apply plus operation, minus operation on this much. 36, the data generated by variable religion is A, continuous, B, ratio, C, ordinal, D, nominal. But if you have the religions, Islam, Christians, Jews, Hindus, Sikh, there is no order in this much. We are not ordering. We are just giving the names that will be considered in the nominal scale. 37. An ordinal scale is A, the simplest form of measurement, B, a rank order scale of measurement. Ordinal is the rank scale of measurement, rank ordering of measurement. Question number 38. Placing in a horse race is an example of, that is the first position, second position, third position, fourth position. A, nominal categorical data, B, ordinal, that is the example of ordinal scale. Question number 39. Rating hotels by a numbers of stars, very important, is an example of 5-star hotel, 4-star, 3-star, that is ordinal scale. 40. Classify the variable for a survey of where students live, which is categorized by postal zip codes. A, nominal, B, ordinal, C, interval, D, ratio. That is actually nominal scale. You are just allotting the numbers to them. You are not ranking them. Question number 41. On a national survey, respondents are asked to list their background as African American or Asian American or Hispanic or other. What level of measurement is this? That is also nominal scale. It is not ordering, and that is the categorical data actually. Question number 42. The height of randomly selected adult male is A. Now height can be measured. It means these two will not be used. You will have to select from these two. It is the quantitative data. A, nominal, B, ordinal, C, interval, D, ratio. It is an example of ratio scale. Height and weight is an example of ratio scale. 43. Identify the scale of the data where true value 0 can be reached. True value 0. It is also the example of ratio scale. Question number 44. The dash means separating items according to similar characteristics and grouping them into various classes. A, tabulation, B, editing, C, separation, D, classification. The arrangement of things according to some similar characteristics into classes is a classification. Poor, highly rich, and the middle class people, you will make the classes. That is called classification. 45. Classification is the process of arranging data to some common characteristics in A, columns, B, rows, C, columns and rows. We have columns and rows also. It is C is the correct option. Question number 46. Classification is the process of arranging data in A, different columns, B, different rows, C, different columns and rows, D, grouping of related facts in different classes. That is the correct option. Question number 47. Which of the following is an objective of classification? A, to condense and simplify the data. Correct one. B, to bring similarities and dissimilarities. Correct one. C, to help comparison. Correct. D, all of these is the correct option. Question number 48. The types of classification in statistical data are A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, D, 5. There are 4 types of classification. 49. When the collected data is grouped with reference to time, it is A, quantitative classification, B, qualitative, C, geographical, D, chronological is the correct option according to time. Last question of today's lecture. For 50. Data collected on the basis of regions or areas. It is example of geographical data is the correct option in the exam. Assalamu alaikum.